So a huge thank you to everybody, both within the academic sector and with the hospital sector, those involved with the Biomedical Research Centre, those involved with R&I and the Trust, and indeed all of clinical colleagues, etc., and anyone working to help support the work, the research work that we are doing around COVID-19. Without your help, the studies that we are setting up, are running and recruiting to already just wouldn't happen, and there's probably never been a more important time for people to put in effort to contribute to these sorts of studies. Our main focus has been around the COVID-19 work, and I'm pleased to say that we have got a number of clinical trials up and running, including the national study called Recovery, which has got a number of treatment arms in it, and also a critical care study looking at outcomes and collecting samples and observational data. There are a number of other studies which are currently at different stages of planning, which we will hope to take on as well. And our approach has been very much to adopt those studies which have been supported by the Chief Medical Officer and the National Institute for Health Research as our priority areas. We've been very successful in recruiting individuals into these studies. As of today, we've had nearly 50 people recruited into Recovery and around 300 into the ISARIC study. There will be other studies, I'm sure, coming through other routes, such as through the UKRI or through the medical charity route. We will also try and support those wherever possible. But I think that the most important thing for us to do is to support those studies which have been identified by NIHR and the CMO as our priority studies.